Middle of the week, Wednesday, middle of the month of June. I'm meteorologist Joe Hansel with your morning edition of your predicted severe weather threats. And thanks for tuning in. Our Omega block continues to do what a blocking pattern does, not moving much. Hot ridge of high pressure helping to get some highs in the 90s as far north as Minneapolis. Some cool troughs out in the east and out to the west, bringing a winter storm for June. In areas of the mountains later this month, though, our weather pattern kind of flips. The cooler than average temperatures expected for much of the Mississippi River Valley. Eastern third, western thirds of the nation generally expecting hotter than average conditions. Let's talk about snow. First, it wouldn't be a summer day until we talk about snow, I suppose. Until midday or so, as expected. About ½ a foot to a foot or more possible in some of the high elevations of Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, even portions of northeastern Utah until about, again, midday or so. Winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings. Again, you may think, whoa, snow in June. This is actually a fairly common thing for some of the intermountain west. Southwest United States heat is a concern. Salt Lake City at 65, 103 in Phoenix, Denver in between near 94. A lot of elevated to critical wildfire threats again today. So red flag warnings are out in these areas. It will not take much for a wildfire to get going. Be mindful about that. Cold front stretches from Canada into areas of the Dakotas, Minnesota. Risk of severe weather because of that. For cities like Fargo, Pierre, Bismarck, large hail, damaging winds possible late this afternoon. And still a marginal risk east of Raleigh, North Carolina, to Cape Hatteras, north to Norfolk, with an area low pressure gobbling up that Atlantic Ocean moisture. And that'll bring in a chance for showers and storms out there. Again, this afternoon, snow fizzles out, and we'll watch for that line of storms to really erupt, per se, in areas of the Dakotas to the Minnesota state line. And we'll see more heat building in tomorrow. And worth noting, next week, maybe some Saharan dust returning.